and j. We have two elements, element I and element j. These two elements have a distance. Distance is d, and SHD is such as this formula. In the neighborhood, not in the neighborhood, in a radius of neighborhood, we use SHD, and if I and j is more distance, so the SH is greater. Another word, if I and j have different gene, the D is large and SH or sharing of D is small. So this value is small and fitness sharing increase. Fitness sharing refer to this fact. We have 2 points for select an element. One is fitness and another is sharing of fitness. Smaller sharing, the better than greater sharing in the radius. In another way, we don't attention to the sharing. So fitness sharing is a method to keep diversity high. Another method of explicit is crowding. Crowding is another explicit method that used when we don't know about the problem, and this method change very slightly the individual. We have two shapes in this page. One is fitness sharing, that we have more population in the greater fitness, but in the crowding, the second, it is a sharing, fitness sharing, and it is a crowding. In the crowding, we don't know about the problem, so we have the same number of population in some local maximum. Crowding used when we do not know about the problem, but sharing is faster than crowding, and we use sharing when we know about the problem. We reached to this page in previous section. So we explained about the multimodal problem. What is a multimodal problem? Please answer to me. What is the multimodal problem? No one? I repeat this section, previous section, and in this section, what is a multimodal problem? A problem with multi-solution. Yes, we have 2 or 3 best solution. It is named as a multimodal problem. No multi-fitness. Multi-fitness is multi-objective. Here we want to explain about a new EA is multi-objective or MOP. Multi-objective or multi-fitness is related to those problems that have more than one fitness. This type of problem is used when, for example, when you want to buying a car, you have some object or some fitness such as a speed. You select a car with more speed, or reliability with more reliability, or price, a smaller price. So we use reverse of price as a fitness. Or sometimes you want to design engineering. So, for example, you want to make a home. This home maybe is light and use a smaller iron. It is lighter or it is strengther. It's more strength and more light. Multi-objective problem refer to the problems that have more than one fitness, but this fitness is not the same. For example, if you want to use price, for example, use a speed and use power of a car, most of this fitness is the same, because the more powerful car can go with more speed. It is not the multi-objective, because these two type of fitness is the same. If you buy cheaper car, the speed is low and power is low. Both of is the same. Multi-objective is related to those fitness with opposite targets. For example, you want to for example, buy light or not heavy. Light is meaning not heavy. The weight of a car and the price, or sometimes you want to use a cheaper car or reverse of price, but with higher speed. These two types of fitness is opposite, because we want to spend lower money but higher speed. These two type of fitness is opposite. So this is a multi-objective problem. So multi-objective problem refer to the problem that we have more than one fitness, but the fitness are not the same. The fitness are opposite. For example, we want to buy cheaper car or lower price with higher speed, because this is opposite. Lower price cause lower speed, but we want to select the best price with the best speed. It is the opposite. We don't have one solution. One of the way to select this multi-objective using the weighting for each fitness. For example, W1 for fitness 1, W1 and W2 for fitness 2. Or if you have another fitness, you use another weight. It is one of the way to use fitness. It is a fitness for MOP problem, but it is not a good way because it is related to the data. Sometimes you set a good weight for a data, but when the data is changed, when the problem is the values of problem are changed, it's not work with previous weight, and you must redefine or change the weight. So this method is not good for multi-objective problem. There are another way that is named as a domination or dominance. In this shape, we have two fitness F1 and F2. And we have some solution. We have some solution here. It is a solution or element. And all of this is element. It is element or individual in the population. We want to select the best element. What is the best element? The best element is the best with fitness 1 or fitness 2. But we can't find one solution because, for example, this solution, if you have all of the solution are here, this solution is the best by F1 or F2. Can you tell me? This solution is the best by fitness 1 or fitness 2. Which one? Please type for me. Yes, it is the highest fitness 1. For example, it is the cheapest or lowest price. If it is price, we want to select a low price. It is with the best price, the reverse of price. But this value, this individual is the best with which fitness? 2. Fitness 2. Also, we have another individual. For example, this individual is good with F1 and is better with all of these elements by F1, F1 or this, and all of these, this and this is the best with F2. It is better than this element. This element in the rectangle is lower by F1 or by F2. All of these elements in this rectangle is named as a dominated. Dominate. What is the meaning of dominated in English? Can you tell me? Dominated. Dominated is referred to the better. Better by F1 or by F2. So we have many elements or many individual, and some of the individuals such as these are better than another individual in the rectangle. There are not other in the other individual. I make a mistake to draw this. It is named as a Pareto set or Pareto front. Pareto set or Pareto front is a boundary, is a line of location of individual that include some individual which is better than another solution. It is named as a Pareto set or Pareto front. All of these elements, all of these is better than this element in the rectangle both by F1 or by F2 or by F1 or by F2. It is named as a Pareto set or Pareto front. So the Pareto front is a collection or is a setup solution, not is a one solution that is good with F1 or by F2. No one can you tell me which one is the best solution? I name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you tell me which one of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the best? One, 4, 1 is the best by F1 and F2 or dominated another elements. Dominated is referred to the better by 2 fitness is named as a dominated. Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No one. No. None of these 6 elements is not the best. Why? For example, you say 4 is the best, but 3 have better in F1 than 4. Some refer 1 is the best. 1 is the best by F1, but by F2, 2 is the best. 6 is the best. Pareto set is a set of elements that none of these elements is not dominated by another one. For example, if you select this and this, it is better by F1, but it is better by F2. None of these two elements, or sometimes you select this or this, it is better by F2, but it is better by F1, or this and this. It is better by F2, but it is better by F1. The dominant element or Pareto set is a set of elements that is the best with one fitness, but it's not the best with another fitness. It is named as a Pareto set, or the Pareto set includes a collection of individuals that none of them don't dominated another one. So which element is the best? None of this element is not the best. So it is such as the car. We search the market to find the cheapest car but with highest speed car. We find some cheap car but we find some high speed car. All of these 6 car is my solution, and the user can select from one of these 6 solution. It is a collection of solution. It is not the best solution. Do you know the Pareto set? So in the multi-objective problem, such as multimodal problem, we have some good solution, not one solution. Do you know both of these 2 types of problem have a collection or more than one solution? It is named as a Pareto set. And another page is not important, and it is my explanation about these 2 types of problem, such as weight for fitness is not useful for all types of problem, and using dominance is better than using weight. Some method to keep diversity high, we explain about the method, and using the weight and dominance, and all of my explanation repeat in this, and there are 3 implicit and 2 explicit method to diversity, to keep diversity high, such as fitness sharing, such as nudging or dividing, and another explanation that we refer in the previous page. So in this section, we introduce 2 types of problems that don't have one solution. Can you tell me these two types of problem? Can you write these two types of problem that the solution is not one solution? Can you write? Nobody know? It is a exam question, for example. Can you tell me two types of EA that we don't have one solution? We have a collection of solution or more than one solution. Mm, yes. Yes. I don't. RWS is not a problem. RWS is a technique of a selection. TSP or 8-Queen is two types of this problem that have more than one solution. But it is not related to my question. Two group of the EA is multimodal and multi-objective, that we have more than one solution. What is a multimodal? Multimodal is a problem that have more than one solution, or it has one best solution and one or two or three very good solution. Another type of problem that we refer in this section is multi-objective. What is a multi-objective problem? The problem with what is a multi-objective problem? The problem that have yes, the problem not multi-solution, multi-fitness. It is better to say multi-fitness or multi-solution maybe. It is better to say multi-fitness. Which fitness? The fitness with opposite, such as the speed and the price, not the speed and the power. The more speed car, the more powerful. But speed and price are opposite, because when you buy a cheaper car, a smaller price, the speed is small, but you want to speed is high. Speed and lower price are opposite. So multi-objective problems can be solved by two methods, by weighting the fitness and by Pareto set. The Pareto set is for example, if we have some elements such as here, the Pareto set is a set of elements that do not dominate each other. In other words, this type of individual is not better than another element in the Pareto set by all of the fitness. And we have a dominated element such as this rectangle included dominated element that is worse than a Pareto set element with all of the fitness value. This is another type of multi-solution that we have multi-fitness, such as buying a car, such as some decision in your life that you may select between two opposite objects. Do you have any question? Nobody have any question? This is a two. Last point is related to this value. This is a two fitness, fitness 1 and fitness 2. If you have more than one fitness, for example, three opposite fitness, fitness 1, fitness 2, and fitness 3. So you have a surface, not a line, that include some element which dominated another element, but do not dominated the element on the Pareto set. Yes, which better for you? Two next week is good. For example, in 22 of May or and işte it is okay for you 2nd of June. To next week. Yes, I write this in the Telegram channel. In the next course, in the next section, we explain about the second exam and the solution of the second exam. And we explain about your problem. Thank you very much. And في أمان الله.